Good morning. Today I'm going to show you some more rectangular Jacob's ladder boxes. I already made these boxes in square form, and I thought maybe it's nice to make them rectangular. So I did that. I used for these boxes Japanese paper because it's strong and it's easy to work with and it looks beautiful. I also made a corresponding book in each box, which is actually a bit stupid because, well, you'll see that. I'll start with this one. This is, I'll show you what happens if I turn the box around and around and the book falls out, so it's a bit silly. But I was in the bookmaking mode, so I did it. This is the box. I made the hinges of 250 grams colored paper, and I did it, usually I make it the hinges as the same paper of the box, but I thought I make a contrast paper now, so that you can see how it is done, because the Jacob's ladder structures are all about the hinges. So I'm going to show you how you put the hinges on this box. The first one starts here, goes over the edge, under this box, over the edge, and it ends here. And the second one starts in this box here, goes over the edge, under this box, over the edge, and it ends here. And it's the same at the other end. Here are the two hinges, the two other hinges. So I made a book by it for corresponding it. This is it. It's called the Australian flat-lying reverse piano hinge binding, which is quite a mouthful. And what you see here, the red paper, is an accordion. You make a cut in the sheets, in the white sheets. You pull one fold of the accordion through the cut, and you lock it with a locking piece. This is the locking piece. And the next section is the same. You pull another part of the accordion through the slit in the sheet, and you lock it with a locking piece. Now, might you want to replace a page? Then it's very easy, because you unlock it, you pull the lock out, you lift the page out of the book, put another in it, and you lock it with the locking piece. And here you can see all the locking pieces. So, this is the Australian flat-lying reverse piano hinge binding. Here's my second box. Also with colored paper for the hinges, at least black paper for the hinges, 250 grams. And here we go, rolling and rolling. And I'm going to tell you again about the hinges. The first one starts here, goes over the edge, under this box, and ends in this box. The second one starts here, goes over the edge, under this box, and ends in this box. This is the back, and this is the front. So I made a book for this as well. It's a secret Belgian binding. Secret Belgian binding is a binding where the front, this is the front, the spine and the back are sewed together with a weaving stitch. And you get this. Looks a bit like crow feet to me. And in the inside it is like this. And like this. Now the secret is, I think, that you sew the signatures in the spine, into the spine, and that you can't see where you have sewn the signatures. I think that's the secret. So I didn't cut these pages open so that you can save something in it. And in this book, because it was Japanese paper, I put all kinds of little pieces of Japanese paper I ever worked with. So that's a nice idea. That you think, oh, maybe this paper I can get it somewhere. This is a nice one. It closes with a waxed thread. And I put it in the box again. So, 2 rectangular Jacob's leather boxes.